Our innovation is this vertical tower which fits in an area as small as 20 square feet or a corner of your balcony. Anybody with a quick guide can grow their own food year-round. This tower uses 98% less water than soil-based methods of farming, and this is a 21st century technologically driven, innovative method where plants are grown suspended in air and 3 times faster. Can you imagine that these towers hold the potential to feed the city? Because we had imported a vertical tower during the first phase of our project, our mentor Blaise particularly suggested we build our own tower. With massive research and testings, we have these 2 prototypes so far. This is the first prototype that we've built, and you can see how excited we were to have completed this one. With a few changes on the first one, we are in the verge of completion of the second prototype. We can't wait to grow these amazing plants on these towers and build a self-sufficient community.
Hello, here's an idea. If you browse through Google Earth right now to see the aerial view of Kathmandu, all you will see is concrete roof with nominal green spaces.
Success to us is initiating vertical farming enthusiasm among city dwellers and converting at least 5% of that unutilized area into green production zone within a year. The outcomes will be measured directly in terms of number of households integrating vertical tower to benefit from it, yield obtained in kg per vertical tower. The success of our innovation will depend upon the results obtained from qualitative and quantitative research, regular inspection and feedback, user friendliness, and definitely scalability. We generally required raw materials such as pipe fittings, pump and timer, water, plant food and seedlings, electricity and human resource to build our prototype.
We tend to collaborate with schools, universities, agriculture knowledge centers, and national societies for our project. The capital cost of our vertical tower stands at $200 per unit, while the operation cost will cost about $20 per vertical tower.
We envision a community of vertical tower farmers where our product reaches at least every household of the city. We have plans to extend our products and services to schools where children can have a thrilling experience of growing plants in this innovative method of farming. We aim to incorporate sustainability through 3 practical measures: use of solar energy to power the towers, transfer of knowledge along with technology, and use of electric vehicles for the delivery of our products and services. Among the major operations performed by the National Society, our innovation directly integrates with urban livelihood improvement. It also intervenes with climate change initiatives where our innovation can play a substantial role in the reduction of greenhouse gases which are emitted during food transport. A journey without ups and downs isn't worth celebrating. During the building and testing of our prototype, we have always been open-minded and solution-oriented, and this attitude has helped us overcome many challenges during the journey. We are and shall be flexible enough to refine the design and concept of our prototype as seemed necessary without hampering the production. We will be guided primarily by the vision, mission, and goals our team has set, and not to forget our mentors, and secondarily by the feedback received from the people who use our product and service.